Hi, this is Mario with Life Saving Systems, and we're going to talk about the boat crew safety belt. I got asked this question the other day, and I realized that it's not intuitive how to replace these side straps. So it doesn't look like these tabs on the end of these side straps on the boat crew safety belt can come out. That's the idea, is that you won't lose them, and those won't come out. But you can. If these get worn, which sometimes happens on the boat because they drag along lifelines, and sometimes the belt's fine, but you have to replace the side straps. You can order those side straps, the attachment straps. They're part number 2181. They're 2 in a kit, so you can replace them both. But how do you get this thing out of here? It's actually pretty simple. You just turn this thing sideways, and you can then shove it through, but you have to be smarter than I am. Now you pull a little slack through, turn it sideways, and then that'll come through. And now you've removed, do it again to get onto the other side. Now it's been removed. That's it. So again, you just turn it sideways to get them through. Get some slack through, turn it sideways. And then, whoops, turn that belt the right way. That's easy enough. And now it's attached again. So that's how you replace the Talon hook side straps on the boat crew safety belt. If you have any other questions, you can email me or go to support.lifesavingsystems.com. Thanks.